Oh my god, the wrong way. But yeah, what's up everyone, it's your boy Drex. We're back with another video. I think the fan's too noisy. And this time, we got a little package right here. I won this as a giveaway from Monoporium, so I'll put the Instagram right here. Check them out, bruv. Yeah, he's just a startup, up and coming local brand. So he just made like 4 shirts, the statement logos. And I chose one which fits my Travis Scott Force. And yeah, let's get to opening it now. Ooh, let's go. So we get another bag. Alright, that's 10 out of 10 for packaging. So he's got this Ziploc bag right here. Oh wow. Oh, I haven't opened it yet, but I like the quality, the detail on the inside. But yeah, let's get it. Oh, I like it. Oh man, that fabric feels so nice. Sheesh. So yeah, I got a size large and he said it was oversized. So hopefully this just fits me right. I wear a large to XL. Hopefully it's not that oversized, but yeah. So we got Monoporium right here. And we got monoporium.com.au, their website. And then on the tag, we just got Monoporium. There's no sizing right there, I believe. Yep, no sizing. But yeah, the bag says I ordered a large, so. Oh man, that's really oversized. I'm still gonna rock it though. I like my shirts really loose. And these are gonna be shrinking on the wash. But yeah, first things first. The quality, the fabric, the material is actually crazy. I love it. It's thick, but it's kind of different. I don't know. I couldn't explain. I don't know. I don't have a shirt with this material on yet. And second, it's got that vintage or like rugged type of cuff on the necks right there. Same as on the sleeves. That's cracker. That's what I noticed on the bag. When I just opened the bag, it's actually so crazy. It looks nice. And I've been looking on more vintage shirts, so this one fits the vibe perfectly. And the print, so we got, it's the black shirt with a print of, that's blue, that's fading to white. That's Monoporium, that's their logo. So they put the same design on 4 different shirts, different colors, different color blocking and whatnot. But yeah guys, there's not much into it. But the details, the quality is crazy. But be sure to check them out, Monoporium. I got this totally for free. And then they also are doing a 5% off your order if you're gonna go there. So yeah, check them out, monoporium.com. So make sure you show some love on their Instagram, because I told them I was gonna make an unboxing and they told me they were gonna do us a code in the future, maybe on their next drop or something. But yeah, so we can get more discount off. But yeah, this is actually a good buy. I'm really keen to wear this. Yo, so before we end the video, I'm just gonna remind you guys that we are actually doing a giveaway for 2020, 2021. So it's basically my Christmas New Year giveaway. You choose between this blue or red Jordan 1 pillowcase. All you got to do is follow me on Instagram, Winner88, subscribe to this channel, and also follow Second Chance Sneaker _AUS, this one right here, because this is from him. So this giveaway wouldn't be possible without him. And for you to be listed on this giveaway, comment on my Instagram post with the photo of this and tag 1 friend. That's all. Just tag 1 friend, follow me, follow Second Chance, and subscribe to my channel. And good luck whoever wins. And stay tuned for the next videos because we're gonna be doing more giveaways. Peace. Shirt is really on point. Yo, so I actually finished recording the whole video, but I just gotta add this clip because I've been wearing this for like 10-15 minutes now, and this actually feels so amazing. It fits like the Essentials, Fog Essentials, Fear of God. The vibe because of how loose it is, and yeah, the boxy fit. But yeah, the material, boy, is actually so crazy. So yeah, it's actually just Fear of God with a thicker material, and I freaking love it. So
yo, what's up? It's Drex, your boy.